Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on the HP Photosmart 5524. Now this is nice and simple. We've done from the printer itself using nothing but the touch screen and the buttons shown here. And it's incredibly simple really. The first thing we're going to do is press this little ink drop found on the top of the touch screen, just to the right. And you get a breakdown of the magenta, cyan, yellow and black cartridges there, along with their estimated ink levels. And that's it. If you're looking at this due to a print quality issue, you may want to also check our videos for running cleaning cycles from this particular printer, as it's much more likely to be the cause of a missing colour than a cartridge running out prematurely. But I hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.